Welcome to Nancy Ogbebor TV, where cooking is made easy. Here we prepares all kind of Africa and intercontinental dishes. Stay with us and remain blessed.
Hello beautiful people, hope you all are doing great. Today let's make this Oat Moi Moi that'll leave you asking for more. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. So I have my roughly blended oats and I'm going to add in maize stock. I'm going to use this maize stock to give this moi moi a good taste. So I'm going to stir everything together. You can also do this in your blender, okay? So but I'm not going to be using my blender for this. So I'm going to stir everything together to combine properly. Next, I'll add in my blended catfish. You can also use crayfish, okay? Next, I'll add in bell pepper and scotch bonnets, roughly blended, and my grated onion. I'm going to stir everything to combine properly. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted. And if you're coming across this video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we'll make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe and stay connected. So I tested it for seasoning and salt. So I added in more seasoning, I added in more meat stock to loosen it up, and I added in vegetable oil. This recipe is very simple. Those that are having heartburn when they eat the regular moi moi with beans, I love you to try this recipe and let me know what you think about it. So I'm gonna add in my boiled egg and some bell peppers and we'll go ahead to cook it. So in my pot, I added in plantain leaf and added in water. So I'll transfer my batter into the pot and I'm going to cook this till done. It will be done when it is firm, okay? So this is my final look. I love you to try this recipe and let me know what you think about this video. And you know how oats is, so definitely you get that oats vibe in this moi moi. So this is my final look. Let me know what you think about this video and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye bye.
Every show's a seed for you. Slice it, season, let it glow. Follow me and take it slow. One more pinch, the flavor's true. Set the table, join the crew.